Have you ever wondered why highlighter colors are so incredibly vibrant? The secret lies in the chemistry behind them. Today I'm going to show you how to make this glowing neon ink completely disappear using nothing but fresh fruit. Let's put the power of citric acid to the test. First, let's prepare our solution. I'm extracting the ink reservoir from this green highlighter. This specific dye is called Pyranine. Watch as it touches the water. The molecules spread instantly, creating an intense fluorescent effect. It looks powerful, but it actually has one major weakness. The key is the pH level. Pyranine is highly stable in neutral water, but it reacts strongly to acidity. Here I have a fresh lime. Watch closely as the natural citric acid enters the glass. The reaction happens almost instantaneously. Notice how the color begins to fade. The citric acid is literally altering the molecular structure of the dye, making it unable to reflect that neon light to our eyes. With a quick stir, the water becomes clear again. It's not magic, it's pure chemical manipulation. Science is everywhere, even in the simplest tools on our desks. If you enjoy real experiments and tech insights like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm Sacred Tech Insights, and I'll see you in the next experiment.